All right, so we've already learned how to draw eyes before, and so there's no need because I've already gone over the whole entire thing in the eyes. We covered the side view, the eyes, all that kind of stuff. But if you want, you could go ahead and do the side view, the eyes again. It's pretty simple. Little triangle wedge. You should know where it's at within the face and in the actual template for the side view of the face. But now you finished watching the nose lesson. How to draw noses from the side view can be a little difficult at first. It's kind of strange the way it's drawn, so I would like you to really take your time with this and make it look correct. To have that just slight slope coming down, then just slight slope out and come in and have that little nostril there. It looks so easy, but it takes some time to get it right, to make sure it's accurately placed. Make sure to do your measurements. Make sure everything is looking correct. If you train your brain to do it right the first time, then everything will be correct and your brain will know how to draw it. And then when you just pull out your sketchbook and won't do any measurements, you'll just free sketch it out and your noses will look cool and you have your own style going on. All right, so that's what I'd like you to do. Go ahead and draw a bunch of noses and draw them accurately. All right, I'll see you next lesson.